Now, I'm not exactly sure why you would want to add, subtract, or multiply functions, but since you're going to start doing this in calculus, you might as well learn it now, and let's get it over with. Alright. You have your first equation up here, which is f of x equaling x squared plus 2x plus 1, and f of g equaling x squared plus 3x plus 3. So f of x minus f of g equals x squared plus 2x plus 1, and I should have said plus f of g, sorry. X squared plus 2x plus 1 equaling x squared plus 3x plus 3. If you add this together, x squared plus x squared equals 2x squared. 2x plus 3x equals 5x, and 1 plus 3 equals 4, and so therefore there's your answer. Alright, what about if we were going to subtract? Well, the first equation would remain the same, but the second one would have all of its signs changed. So, f of x minus f of g equals x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus x squared minus 3x minus 3. Now, x squared minus x squared is nothing. Alright? 2x minus 3x is negative x, and of course 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So you're going to end up with an equation of negative x minus 2. What if you wanted to multiply these? Now keep in mind that these functions right here, they're not necessarily one-to-one functions, but they are functions nonetheless. Now I talked about that in a previous video. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, look it up. Let's go on here. Multiplying fractions, G, multiplying functions, f of x times f of g. Now, you remember the FOIL method of mathematics? I had taught you all that? Well, we're going to multiply x squared times x squared and 3x and 3. Then we're going to multiply 2x times x squared times 3x times 3. Then we're going to multiply 1 times all these terms. And when we do, x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. X squared times 3x is 3x to the 3rd. X squared times 3 is 3x squared, so on and so forth. And if you go all the way straight through, and you can take a look at my equation here to see for yourself, when you get down to the end, you're going to end up with x to the 4th times 5x to the 3rd plus 10x squared plus 9x plus 3. And you can do all this arithmetic for yourself, have a ball with it. But anyway, at least now you know how to do this. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.